Hello YouTube, welcome to another video, and I'll be showing you two of the most easiest ways to use this green screen, or any type of green screen. It doesn't have to be good looking, it can still have wrinkles in it, like that. But I'll show you how to use them in 2 easy steps. So, you may want your background to be something like this, like a Minecraft background, and you can use your overlay of your green screen and you can add it in. Where is it? There it is. And then you put it on top. And then you can go to remove background, use auto removal, and it should work. There might be some glitches there and then, and if you don't like it, you might need to smoothen your green screen a little bit. And there's also chroma key, which is a lot harder to do. Favorite ways to use this green screen is TikTok. You can go to these effects, and you can add your own picture. And you might have to crop it to your own size. Oh, sorry for the music. And you can crop it to your own size, you can choose your photo, and it should work. It's not the best, but if you want to create any type of form of content, or any like meme videos or silly videos, you can use this, TikTok. It's the best way to do it. And also I wanted to say, is how you can get this green screen and the ring light is the Bauer Content Creator Kit. You can find it on Amazon. This video may be short, but that's how easy it is to use these methods and how to use the apps and the green screen. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.